In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print double-sided on Google Slides in just 1 minute. Printing double-sided is not only a great way to save paper, but also makes your presentations look professional and concise. So let's dive into the process and get your slides ready for a clean double-sided print in no time. First, you'll want to begin by heading over to Google Slides. If you're not already there, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google Slides website. Once you're on the home page, if you haven't already, make sure to sign into your Google account. This step is essential because it gives you access to all your saved presentations and ensures that any new changes you make are securely saved to your account. After logging in, you'll find yourself at the Google Slides homepage. Here you have a couple of options. You can either start a brand new presentation by selecting blank presentation, or if you have a particular theme in mind, choose a template that suits your needs. If you're working on an existing project, you can select it from your list of recent presentations. Once you've opened your desired presentation, draw your attention to the top left of the screen and click on the File menu. This is where all the magic happens. Within the File menu, you're going to see a host of options, but your next step is to select Print. When you click Print, you'll be presented with printing options. You'll want to ensure that your printer settings are correctly configured to print double-sided. Most printers today support this feature, but it may be labelled as print on both sides or duplex printing depending on your printer model. Make sure to select this option to ensure that all your hard work will print double-sided. If you don't see this option, you might need to check your printer's manual or settings for more detailed instructions on enabling double-sided printing. After you've selected the appropriate settings, all that's left to do is confirm your print job. Now with everything set, hit the print button. Within moments you'll have your slides printed double-sided, looking neat and ready for distribution or presentation. By following these straightforward steps, you've efficiently set up your Google Slides document to print on both sides, making your presentations not only professional, but also eco-friendly. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope these tips make your printing tasks a breeze. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Happy printing!